Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your TikTok's privacy settings to making your account public. So if it's currently set to private mode, meaning that only you and the friends you've given permission to can actually view your TikTok profile. If you want to make it public, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok profile. And if you're unsure how to do that, just select the profile button at the bottom right corner and then select the hamburger icon at the top right. Just left click on that and select settings and privacy. On the left side underneath account, you want to select where it says privacy, and underneath discoverability, private account. If private account's currently toggled to the right, meaning it's turned on, you want to go ahead and left click inside this oval one time to turn it off, making it a public account. So basically anyone will be able to follow you and view your public posts. Anyone can duet with your videos, and that's pretty much all you have to do. You can go ahead and switch if you want to set that, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.